Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. In this video we are going to learn how to make Ghana Waakye. We all know Waakye. It's West African or Ghanaian dish that we all love and enjoy. So today's video I am going to show you the simplest and easiest way how to make your own homemade authentic Ghana roadside Waakye from your own kitchen. So all you're gonna need is just this simple ingredients right here. Yes, very easy ingredients and easy to cook. But now I have Waakye leaves. With this kind of leaves, guys, you can get some from any African market or African store near you. Ghana, you can find it mostly in Kumasi market or Accra market, or wherever you are, you can find this there. And second, you need black eyed beans. So guys, if you don't have the Waakye leaves, you have 3 or 2 options. The 3 options, you have to use these leaves, the Waakye leaves. That is 1. 2, you can use red beans or to cook your Waakye. So let's say you don't have the leaves, you can use red beans to cook your Waakye. And then 3, you can use black eyed beans or any beans of your choice and add just a little bit of baking soda in it. Okay, so that will help you, or it's gonna change the color of the rice. So that is how it's gonna turn. So this is basically what you are going to need if you don't have the the leaves. Okay, but if you have it, that'll be perfect. And also, this is about 1 cup of black eyed beans. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, and of course I have my rice right here. This is about 2 cups of rice. You can use any rice of your choice. You can use basmati rice or jasmine rice or whatever rice that you feel free of. You can use it. Okay, so guys, this is what we are going to be making today. Stay tuned and go nowhere, and let's get started. In a clean bowl, guys, I'm gonna add my beans and I'm going to soak it in the water for about 30 minutes. Why? Because that way it helps cook faster. Normally people will add like a little bit of baking soda for the beans to cook, but just feel free and add this in the water for just 30 minutes. Now I have about 6 cups of water on the stove, guys. I add 6 cups because you have to cook these beans first. So this is how it looks after 30 minutes. See, look, it feels very soft right now. So I'm going to add all my beans. So this is about 1 cup of beans. And I'm gonna add my Waakye leaves. Okay, and then we're just gonna cover it and let it cook or let it boil. So it's cooked like a halfway. Don't let it cook all the way through, because if it does, then your beans is gonna be too soft, and then your rice is gonna be very soft as well. So just let it cook halfway before we add the salt and also the rice. Just open the lid. I took it out because it was about to boil all over the stove. Yeah guys, so I just took off the lid. So I'm just gonna test and see how soft it is so far. It's not that soft. I think I'm just gonna let it cook more. I'm gonna let it cook for about maybe 7 minutes, and then I think it should be fine. But at this point, I just leave it. You see how the water has changed color? That is what you need. Yeah, so this is very important. And also make sure you have your stove in a medium heat and just allow it to cook. Yeah. Okay, now guys, I think this is good. I am just gonna add my rice. Yeah, add all your rice. The beans has already cooked, so I think it's good to go. So I'm gonna add my salt as well. Okay, so if you want, you can take the leaves out. That is your choice. But with my preference, I'm just gonna leave it there for it to cook and let the rice absorb the water, so that it will be easy to pull. Or you can just pull it out right now if you want to. So that is my preference. So I'm just gonna leave it. Let's taste the salt and see if it's good. And the salt is perfect. Yeah, so I'm just gonna cover it and then let them cook. You see how kind of like reddish it look? This is what you want. This is kind of texture that you want if you want to make that perfect Waakye That is what you need. So let's cover it, let it simmer, and let it cook. I'm going to check the rice and see how it is. Ooh, look at that, guys. So, Waakye no. Obaapa Waakye, yeah, Waakye na ye ah. Ganya kama. Yeah. Guys, I'm just gonna take the leaves out right now. This Waakye is really nice. Ayefe. Oh yeah, the Waakye. Oh, ayefe. So I'm using the fork because I don't want to smash the rice, you know. So yeah, guys, you see that? This is how you cook a Waakye or Waakye. And guys, this is your authentic roadside. Ashe to Mami Waakye. Ashe to Mami, I always say shout out to her because no one know. Hey, how about Bob Blabby Dina Mami Waakye? Papa ni asoro na dwe die na Waakye inti near boss pad. Hey, guys, this is looking very nice. Yay! Waakye na face, guys. So I'm just going to cover it. You can just cover it the way it is, but I'm just going to use aluminium foil. And I am going to cover my Waakye to the perfection. Okay, I'll give you if you cook your food, make sure you cook it with love, and also make sure you do it in the right way. Okay, so this is how it is, guys. So I'm just going to cover my food and I just let it cook. Stay tuned, guys. I am going to check my rice, guys. First, it's been cooking for almost like 5 minutes since I covered it with the aluminium foil. So you just see, I'm thinking it's done now because Waakye doesn't take too long to cook. Guys, you see the beauty over there? You see that, right? It is done though. This is done, guys. This is just perfect, beautiful Ghana Waakye. Authentic wine pa. Yeah, this is how it look. Roadside, yeah. Papepi. Yay, OBAAPA kitchen. Alright, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And also don't forget to subscribe. And I would like to say a shout out to my lovely YouTubers that they always watch me. I say thank you so much, and I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you. And I always watch you as well, and their names are OBAAPA'S Kitchen. OBAAPA'S Kitchen, I watch you. I love your recipe, girl. Keep up the good work, okay? Miss QB, I know you're already in Ghana and you're having a great time. I hope you enjoy it. I can't wait to see you. Yeah, so thank you so much. I watch your vlog too, and I'm loving, especially the Ghana one. Thank you so much for posting all of that. And also Sweet Ajele, I watch you, girl. I watch all your cookings. It's amazing. I love your recipes. Thank you so much for your good work. And now, guys, I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like what you're seeing, and also share this video. Love you guys. Peace.